Hello everyone, Dana here from Dana's Electrical Services, and in today's video I will be showing you how to install a light receptacle. So let's get into it. We will install a broad base receptacle as you see there, and we will install this on the ceiling. You see it coming down right there, the two wires, which is the live and the neutral. We don't have any ground coming down because we will not install this in a metal or galvanized box. So the tools that we'll need, first thing is the broad base receptacle, as you see it there. The next thing is a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, Phillips spine screwdriver. Yep. And the next thing is a pliers, that's a linesman pliers, or broad base receptacle there again once more, and a knife to strip our wires, or if you have a wire stripper we can use that also. And we have two drywall screw that we'll use to mount our broad base receptacle. Those drywall screw are 1.5 inches. So let's get into it. Oh, the next thing is our non-contact voltage tester that we'll use to test if the circuit is live or not, and our drill that we'll use to install the broad base receptacle. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is use our non-contact voltage tester to ensure that our circuit is de-energized. So I turn on the switch now to show you what would happen if the circuit is energized. So you saw the light turning red and beeping, so that is what will happen. So coming back again to ensure that my circuit is not energized. So ensure that your switch is turned off or your breaker is turned off. So at this point we would use our knife or our wire stripper to strip the wire before doing anything else, and then I'll use my pliers to twine the wire so that it can install or wrap better or connect better under the screw. After we're finished doing this, the next step is to connect our light receptacle. You must ensure that the middle pin in the light receptacle is connected to the live. This is the correct way to connect the light receptacle. So you are going to check the middle pin and then check the screw on the back to see which one line up with the middle pin, and that one should connect to the live. And next way to check this is that the gold screw is for the live, and the gold screw for the live, and the silver screw is for the negative. Easiest way to remember it. In most cases, switch and plugs are like this. Well, not really switch, but plugs and light receptacles are like this. Gold for positive and silver for negative. So we're gonna go ahead, make our connection here. Red to gold screw. And you're going to ensure that the same direction in which you are screwing, which is the clockwise direction, is the same direction which you wrap the wire around the screw. Same thing for the neutral. So you're going to wrap the screw and wrap the wire under the screw in a clockwise direction. This way the wire connects better under the screw. And that is it. Beautiful. Now we're going to tuck that in neatly, and then as you can see there, I'm just searching for the stud to see where I'm going to drive my screw to mount this light receptacle. Now I'm going to get my 1.5 inch drywall screw and get my drill driver, and I'm going to start driving these screws. As you can see, I'm very careful when I'm driving in these screws, because I don't want to break the light receptacle, because if I drive the screw too hard and go low, I will break the light receptacle. So I'm kind of gauging it right there, ensuring that it is flush, but yet don't drive it too deep. Now it's time to get my bulb and screw it in. Screw it in, screw it in, screw it in, screw it in. And now it's for the moment of truth. Let me go ahead and turn on my light and see what is going on. Let there be light. Wow. And there was light. Let your light be off. Let light there be on. Let there be off. On. And there you have it, guys. Proud moment. It's always a proud moment when an electrician get the light on. And that was it, guys. That was another video brought to you by Danai's Electrical Services. For more videos like these, please feel free to subscribe to my channel at Danai's Electrical Services. Thank you, thank you, thank you.